Right, setting up for the Grainger market. So we're going to have a brief look at the air raid shelter before anyone gets here, so you can kind of get an idea of what a very unique space this is. So, see some, it's obviously used as storage, but there seems to be corridors going off in lots of different directions. It looks like it could have been some sort of storage area. Oh, it's very, very dusty down here. So, as you can see, they all lead off into different areas. Again, benches that are probably being used. If there was any, if the air raid sirens had sounded, and that appears to be a staircase, that would have probably been an entrance when the air raid siren sounded. This is truly a interesting place. Again, some more storage areas by the looks of things. Yep. Excellent. So we go back out of the shelter now. This is where the teams will be coming tonight. I'll have some more film later of different areas of the market, but I thought I'll put this up from the beginning so you can see what the most interesting part of this location is.